ka kanhun ki amali ka congress ha ka jilam khamat u dr mukul sangma kalapan paw ka jingsokhia halo ka jingbom byang ka jingpan khre ki chaka a jingsumar ban yakun persha ka khlam covid 19 ha west kasil district ka kanhun ha ka khandrutrik julio kala her jurep ya ka trot sing memorial civil hospital wairang kumju ya ka nongstein civil hospital bat corona care center ka nongstein u dr mukul lapan paw ka jingsokhia ya ka jingbom byang ki icu pat ka do ba ha ka chaka a jingsumar kimpat la ban sumar ki bapang covid 19 ki bala khamjur kata ka kategori C bat D. Daka pakado ba ka jingpang COVID-19 kala nang pur nang kiyo haki chaka nong kendong uloong ba ka civil hospital nongstein kam don ru ya ka blood bank ka banpen mentoy pa ba hakapang kasitam. Yaw Dr. Mukul lai sanran lang de kiam le ba kanthop Eugen Sangma George Bilingdo ba Mehndru Rapsang ba Meral Bon CM ba Kemfa S Marbanyang nang ta ki MDC ba kanthop yu ba Charles Marnga ba Gabriel ki officer katnan hel ba kanthop yu Dr. Amanwar DHS MI bat ki pat kumban syukudo ba Dr. Mukul Sangma ki khendiat singi ba khendiat tayo paladap harangkat ki amali ka congress ki lahir benlit jirip ya bon dili ki chaka ajing sumar district per ban sngot hu khampa ya ka jinglong jingman na ka jingsakta ha ka khlam covid 19 bat ki jingpen khre ban yakun ya ka ni ka khlam
ICUs which were made available were never put to use because they were never prepared. If the ventilators which were provided already last year, they were never put to use, that means even the facilities which were, if would have been fully equipped and capable of minimizing the sufferings, those measures were not put in place. I'm sorry, but then this must be a learning experience for all of us. This must be the learning experience for the government so that they don't repeat this kind of avoidable mistake. Because these mistakes are look at the price that we have paid. How many families have gone through this misery, and how many families are still going through miseries, and how it has dislocated everybody's life. It has dislocated the whole economy of the state, which could have been minimized. We may not be able to prevent, but we must be able to minimize. No, in Mairang, there is no provision for ICU. They have not decided to prepare any facility in as far as dealing with the patients which goes beyond the category of B. They are dealing only with A and B. That means any patient who goes beyond that stage, meaning if the progression of the disease require further intervention, that facility is not there in respect of Mairang. Okay, but Nongstein is a district capital. They have not prepared to have any ICU. Okay, that is what is seen today, and that is what has been told to us. But in as far as Nongstein is concerned, they can still ramp up. The ventilators which have been provided to them, they say that they will be using it. They are training the people. They have trained some people, and if measures of such kind would have been taken well ahead, then you know that all the ventilators would have been put to use. And in addition to that, if Mairang doesn't have the facility to treat the patient and save the life of the patients if they go to a critical condition, then what is the option? They have to refer the patient. When we refer the patient, then you will require ambulance. Ambulance with those categories, ALS, nothing else. They have not bought. They have not bought any ambulance which is capable of transporting a critical patient who is a victim of this COVID-19. They are preparing. They have assured that they will buy ALS ambulance. And I have tried to know from them, from the authorities, when it is likely to be available. They cannot tell. They cannot tell. But hopefully by the end of the month, ALS ambulance will be made available for all the districts. They have ordered 11. 11 means 11 districts. Only 111. Okay. Even one is not enough. Whom will you choose as a doctor? If you have to transfer two patients, you have to decide. It becomes very difficult. That's why under the present circumstances, even now we are not prepared. Forget about earlier days. Even now we are not prepared. But God has been kind. The quantum of devastation, unlike other states, has not happened. Hopefully, our people have better immune system. But here I want to put a caveat, not in respect of people from East Cassius, because the death count in East Cassius is higher. You see? Now, yesterday's death count is more than 1% for the whole state, but they are all from East Cassius. Only 2 are from other districts. Now, we have to know why is it happening? Why the fatality rate is higher in East Cassius? Or maybe East Cassius means maybe only Shillong. We don't know. We have to have more study. But if you look at West Cassius, if you look at Garo Hills, the fatality rate is less. There must be some reason, no? This has to be interpreted from scientific perspective. This cannot be interpreted from a layman's perspective. Only when we have proper study from scientific perspective, then we will know. And once we know, then we will know how to prevent. So here also, if you want to prevent further devastation, you have to study. And you have to know. Once we study, once we know, then we know what measures have to be put. So there are lots of complexities. It is not something which is very simple. That's why you need a complete focus. The level of commitment, dedication, the level of seriousness is required. It cannot be just chalta hai approach. That is what I am saying. Many a time, I'm afraid. I hear, people in the authority saying, there'll be no correct way anytime. No correct way anytime. No correct way anytime means you will always make mistakes there. You cannot make mistakes all the time. You are likely to make mistake, but then you cannot make mistake all the time. Because it revolves around life and death of the people. It revolves around the overall livelihood of the people. People who have slipped back economically during this pandemic, how will you lift them up? How will you lift them up? You have to lift up. They must be able to again restore their economic activities. Otherwise, you will have a serious problem in future. Social problem.